All right, you nailed down your problem statement. What happens next now that the problem is clearly defined? Well, think about how this happens in your own life. Let's say you're a barista who needs to find an affordable moving company because you are moving across the country. If this is the problem you're facing, you would brainstorm possible solutions. Brainstorming solutions is similar to making a hypothesis or an educated guess about how to solve the problem. In UX design, we write possible solutions to the problem as hypothesis statements. A hypothesis statement writes out our best educated guess on what we think the solution to a design problem might be. So how do we write hypothesis statements? Unlike problem statements, there's not a standard formula to use for writing hypothesis statements. But to get us started, we'll try what's known as an if-then statement. It looks like this. If, name an action, then name an outcome. Let's go back to our earlier example with Amal. Amal is an athlete who needs a way to sign up for workout classes because the class he wants to participate in fills up fast. Your hypothesis statement might be something like this. If Amal downloads the gym's app, then he can reserve his favorite class in advance. Like we said, hypothesis statements don't have a standard formula. So instead of using an if-then statement, you could also write this hypothesis statement as something more flexible, like Amal needs an app that allows him to reserve his favorite classes in advance and notifies him of the first opportunity to sign up. In both of these examples, we are guessing or hypothesizing what has to happen for Amal's need to be solved. As you move forward in the design process, you will revisit and possibly adjust your hypothesis as you learn more about your user's needs. Be flexible and adapt as you go in order to end up with the best design solution.